Austin has become a mecca for high-tech manufacturing. Demerco's Austin, Texas warehouse is strategically located just south of the city, putting supplier inventory close to hundreds of large-scale, advanced manufacturing plants, including Tesla's Gigafactory just 20 minutes away. Demerco's modern facility is equipped to handle high-volume, high-turn distribution operations. In Austin, we primarily cater to clients serving the automotive and technology industries that require more customized, value-added services. For example, we do complex light assembly for a Tesla supplier, using a robot-aided process to prepare parts for JIT delivery to the assembly line. Warehouse processes are efficient and paperless for highly accurate inventory control. For Asia-based customers, our Austin warehouse is part of Demerco's full-service global logistics solution that also includes door-to-door, air and ocean transportation, customs clearance, and final delivery. Like all of Demerco's US and Canada locations, our Austin team includes people fluent in both English and Mandarin to ease communication with China-based customers. Do you need customized warehousing and distribution solutions in South Texas? Let us be your guide.